Hey friends, if you wish to cut, copy and paste in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. Actually, it's the same for any editor. Now to cut something, just press Ctrl plus X and then paste it here. Okay, so Ctrl plus X is the key for cut. Ctrl plus V is the key for paste. And as for copy, press Ctrl plus C. Okay, I'll show you. It has copied it. So Control plus C for copy. Well, this is one thing. Let us say I select this part. Okay, and I need to copy paste it. Then just right click on it and you'll find the option to cut and then to, I'll show it for this one, copy. I'll paste it here. And for paste, you can right click on it. You'll find four options under paste. This one is the usual one. Okay, this one is where you merge the formatting. You won't feel the difference here. The third one is if it is a picture and it will paste it in the picture format as if it was a picture, even if you copied a text. And the last one is to keep the text only, even if it has a picture, it will only keep the text. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.